Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and today I am reviewing the travel stamp platform by Team Holtz. So this is a great tool, and for anyone who would like to stamp. I know that in the paper crafting world we have some individuals that I included myself. I also make cards, and I like to stamp and like to use embossing powders, etc. And I had struggled in the past stamping. So this platform, it's very convenient, and it's a smaller size, like when you're traveling, if you are going into crops or going out of town, taking your travel notebook and journal and document and stamp. So this is a really great tool for those who would love to stamp and make your stamping process easier than before. So let's start. So here is the tool. It's a as I said, a mini, not a mini, but a travel platform, stamp platform, and it measures, it's 8 by 8, but 6.5 by 6.5. So this is very convenient for those of us that would love to use like the 6 by 6 paper pads to do happy mail, or you want to stamp a sentiment or a word or anything. So this tool is very nice. You can use it to use rubber stamps and also clear stamps, and it's very convenient. As I said, it takes your stamping to the next level. So it definitely, as I said before, accommodates both clear and rubber stamps. So I am going to do a demonstration on how to use it. So this travel stamp platform comes with these two magnets. They have to be separate. Don't put it together, otherwise you're going to have a hard time splitting them off, and you might get pinched, etc. So you don't want to do that. You want to keep these guys separate, here or here. Never in the same side, because they might attract, and then you will have a conflict on that. So I am going to use, this is the rubber. I'm going to use a rubber stamp. So I am going to put my 6 by 6 paper, put it in here, one of the magnets here, then I go with the next magnet, and this is the beautiful stamp that I would like to use. It's a stamp from Stampin' Up. So I'm going to put it here, then I close this lid, and voila. I'm going to ink this stamp with lots of ink. And the beauty about this platform is that you can, there's no room for mistakes. In other words, since the magnets are holding the paper, you can come back and stamp more in other places. So here you go. We just press lightly. We press lightly, and then voila, here is your stamp. How nice is this? So say that you want to add more dimension on this image, and you want your flowers to be more black. So we add more ink only on those edges. Go back again. Stamp it. Press a little bit, and there you go. You see that part is like, so you give more, almost like a 3D effect. Now we're gonna go and use the clear stamp. So what I do is I take this lid, flip it, and it says clear, and I am going to position my 6x6 paper. Again, this little guy here and this other little magnet around here. So I want the stamp to be in here in the center. So I close the lid, and then it will hold the stamp. Now I am going to ink the stamp. It's a pretty little birdie. See that? I'm gonna clean the edges a little bit. And I'm going to flip this and press the stamp. You see, I didn't put enough ink on the bird, so I can come back again and put more ink on the bird. You see this black edge here? It won't transfer here because it's these magnets raise it. And now I'm going to go back again here and press it just lightly, and the bird is not showing. Let's do it for the third time. This bird doesn't want to show. Okay, let's see, birdie. Put pressure on the bird. There we go. Travel stamp platform. If you're in a crop or you're traveling and you need to stamp your bujos, your planners, your travel notebooks, I am going to leave the information in the description down below about where to get this travel stamp platform by Team Holtz. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Please make a comment, subscribe, and share this video if you like it. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye.